Aforementioned gay spies eventually moved their offices out of the next door apartment, but their knowledge of the empty flat next door became very useful as their jobs became increasingly dangerous. We needn't get into the AIDS epidemic of the 1980s, which affected not just the United States, but also the United Kingdom. All you need to know is, from 1980 to 1986, Flat J would become a safe house. We don't really know the name of this group, or what their ultimate goals were, or why they were formed in the 70s. We know very little about their history. All we have is this campy B-movie that they made in Flat J at the tail end of the 80s that reads like some sort of meta-commentary on their work. I don't quite understand the story, and I would wonder if you will either. But it seems they were in pursuit of some kind of cure, had some kind of race against time for something. Regardless, this is clearly the final scene of some sort of blockbuster movie that has likely been lost to time. And I'm sorry that I can't bring you the whole thing, but it is the scene I found in my research that gave me the most context as to what seemed to be happening in the flat next door from 1970 to 1979, and then from 1980 to 1986. I don't know if they were successful in their mission. I don't know if they had anything to do with the development of prophylactic cures for AIDS, but they were certainly fighting for something. I think it's probably pertinent to know that just the same way a group of spies might get together to protect a nation, there might also be a group of people that get together to protect the community. And that's actually pretty fucking badass. Anyway, the clip from whatever feature film this must have been, that's next week.